New Bedford, Massachusetts is a unique area of the Caped Waters where work starts early. We join the Sennebogen team as they adhere the second track to the main frame. The body of the 875 may account for some of the most precise movement of the build. Rope handling is a vital part of the job as a crane cannot make the inch-wide adjustments needed to be perfect. There are over 200 bolted connections required to secure the body of the 875. What is perfect for some may not be perfect for others. The dance of coordination may take over an hour alone. Alignment and security may take the latter half of a full day. But wait, what is this? Brooke Tyler, a company owner, joins the crew.
On the gasket?
I do. That's what I was looking at on the door side. Let's get that one started that you're working on. See if we can pull it in. Or if you want me,
No, it's not gonna pull in anymore.
well, it's got a little bit because you see the bump out here.
Well, maybe this bolt will pull it in, because this is going.
A stack of cribbing aids in the formation of the boom and stick of the machine. Stop. Hammer time. individual adjustments are made. Some of the classic tools like a sledgehammer and a drill are made to complete the puzzle,